Hey tech fans, welcome back. Today we're checking out the OnePlus Nord 5, OnePlus's boldest mid-range flagship yet. With premium specs packed into a smart, sleek design, this might just redefine the flagship killer tag. The Nord 5 launched globally on July 8, 2025, and hit Spain on July 15 starting at €449 for the 8/256 of a gigabyte model, and €549 for the 12/512 of a gigabyte version. Design highlights include a 6.83 Swift AMOLED display with crisp 1.5K resolution, an ultra-smooth 144Hz refresh rate, and peak brightness around 1800 nits. Perfect for HDR content. It also rocks Gorilla Glass 7 ion back, flat aluminum frame, IP65 splash resistance, and bold colors like marble sands, dry ice, and phantom gray. Inside sits the flagship tier Snapdragon 8's Gen 3, 4nm, with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage, delivering blazing fast performance in gaming with no lags, plus ice cooling via a large 7,300 square millimeters vapor chamber and new bypass charging help keep temps low during intense use. For optics, you get a 50-megapixel Sony LYT700 main sensor with OIS, an 8-megapixels ultra-wide, and a 50-megapixels autofocus selfie camera, all capable of 4K video. Image quality is sharp with OIS, excellent color, and dynamic range. Just don't expect optical zoom. The Indian variant features a massive 6,800 mAh battery. Other regions get 5,200 mAh. With fast 80W SUPERVOOC charging, you'll hit 100% in approximately 45 minutes. Nord 5 runs OxygenOS 15 on Android 15, with OnePlus's Plus key replacing the alert slider, customizable to launch apps, activate AI assistant, sound profiles, and more. So, the OnePlus Nord 5 is a mid-ranger with near flagship chops, premium display, top-tier chip, strong battery, and neat AI extras, all at an attractive price. Are you impressed by this value-packed powerhouse? Let me know in the comments. Like if you think the Nord 5 might dethrone pricier flagships. Subscribe for full camera tests, benchmarks, and comparisons with Pixel 10 Pro and Galaxy S26 Ultra. Hit the bell, so you don't miss what comes next.